So imagine this. It's Christmas night and the family is gathering in the car to drive over to Grandma's house. Then, when starting the car, the dreaded check engine light appears. And now if you're the man of the family, or even just the head of the household, everyone is looking at you to fix the problem. I'm not a mechanic. What am I supposed to do? Well, I got one of these onboard diagnostic scanners, so I could at least attempt to do something. Even just having one was a nice feeling. Instead of thinking, oh no, it's the check engine light again, I was actually excited. Hey, I get to use that car thing. This one is pretty basic. It's the hyper-tough automotive code reader, model HT100. It's the low-end model, but it was around $20 at Walmart. It was cheap, and it was good enough to read the trouble code, P0011. I didn't bother with the app. I just went to Google to search the meaning of that error. That's when I learned a whole bunch of stuff about the car. In general, that could be the makings of a good gift idea. Something to fix the gifts from Christmas past. Have you ever given away a toolkit as a gift? I think that's a great prepper item, and it's a practical gift, like when my TV remote didn't work. A new TV is a popular Black Friday item, but it's been a bit of a hassle getting rid of old TVs. Fortunately, after taking the remote apart and giving it a good cleaning, it started working again. That's pretty cool, especially considering this TV is around 17 years old. So that's the general idea. The toys are fun, but practical gifts could be nice too.